Hi friends, so we are now back with the 7th episode of this miniature rose frame. Um, so you will see I have these leaves which I have made. I had showed you the punch. What we have done is we've just punched it on a green paper and then we have kept it. So you will need a lot of them, maybe at least 60 or 70 of them. So make sure that you punch them. I have also made the roses. So that we can stick. And if you see, I have also for you to get an idea, I have also put in the leaves to give it a 3D some, so that you will know how you will get an idea how it will look once it's done. So what we will do is I will now stick few leaves and flowers, and then we can go filling about the whole thing. Today I'll show you a little bit over here so you can get an idea of how the leaves and the flowers have to be kept, so you can do it over here, here and here. So for this I usually use the silicone glue, because then it is better if I want something more embossed looking on it. That's the reason I usually, but some places you can also use the Fevicol if you wish to, but this silicone would be good. Now if you see, in some places there are these cracks. What I do is I sometimes put those things inside the cracks. Like if you see there is a crack over here, if you can see, I'll just make sure add some glue and push it inside the crack. So I'm gonna do that over here so that you guys have an idea of how things will look. I suggest more leaves are always good. Now suppose if I have this rose, what I'll do is I'll find wherever there is a rose. Suppose I think, oh yeah, the rose is here, I'll put here, and then I'll keep on adding some leaves around it. More leaves will always make your painting stand out. Suppose if I see there is this second rose over here, I'm gonna put it there, and then if you see, I'm gonna see another rose and I'm gonna put it over here. And now I will also try keeping leaves around it. So if you can see, I've been putting flowers around it. Now if I see another rose, let's try doing it over here. Be very careful with using this glue. If required, use tweezers. I have a little practice, so I'm not using the tweezers so much, but please be very careful, because when things are small they tend to slip from your hand. So if you can see, I have put these roses. I've showed you how to do it. Now I'm going to finish this whole thing, and then what we will do is in the next video I'll show you how to place flowers over here, how to make these white flowers also for you guys. So let's just keep on doing this, and you should be able to try finishing these part first, and then we will go to this part.